Birth of meter. In the late 1700s, during the French Revolution, scientists wanted a unit that didn't depend on body part of any king. Because every king has different body parts, like someone has small and someone has large arm or feet. So they want something big to measure things. I mean, it's kind of like crazy. So they choose Earth, Earth as an measurement unit. So what they did, they took the distance from the North Pole to the equator of the Earth, and they take a line that's passing through Paris. And this line is known as Meridian Prime. So simply, they choose whole Earth just to make a ruler. I mean meter. It's pretty crazy. Later, scientists made a metal bar. It was made from the metal platinum and iridium mixture, which we call alloy. I mean, two metal mixed together by melting, and they form this bar. Actually, it put at the official branch of International International Bureau of Weight and Measurement. Weight and measurement. So, this branch of weight and measurement, also known as
International Despoy Dead Matches.
this puts it measurements. I don't know which language is this. I think it's French version of this name to this name. We'll talk about it later. But now the world has a standard basically depend on a stick. This is bar, and the whole world measure this bar as meter, and our whole world take this bar as a perfect standard for measuring for a long time. But there's a problem. As we know, this is a metal bar, and here temperature x degrees Celsius. If it increase to x degrees Celsius plus any y, which is very small change in temperature, but still it enough to make the bar some increase. It's increase delta y meter. And if there's any drop in temperature, so basically our bar getting short. It basically shrink. By the way, this shrink and this change increase are very tiny. But in science, we care about tiny things. Science is kind of like critical. What happens if we need to make a satellite or we want to measure atoms? Then this tiny change creates some very big problem. That was a very kind of like a scary part of this whole process. So if the bar change, the meter change. I mean, if the bar increase, the meter increase, or it decrease, then the meter also decrease. So we find out that both of them are not so precise. So now we human need even more precise measurement. I mean, we need some sort of constant that doesn't change if change in temperature, any physical condition, even not change with respect to time. I mean, we need a very powerful constant. And what that constant? It's light. As we know, the speed of light in vacuum is universal constant. It not change. It's 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Came the time of 1960s. During this time, scientists use a specific wavelength of light. They take the light source as krypton 86 gas. It generates a specific type of wavelength. So now we have more accurate definition source for our measurement. Then came the final breakthrough for this measurement. They take the speed of light in vacuum and they make a definition for meter. It goes as 1 meter defined as the distance traveled by light in vacuum in 1 divided by 299,792,458 of a second. I mean, you think about this number, it is very small time. And how do we actually measure this time? Using the atomic clock. Actually, it is the clock, I mean, the most precise clock we have till now, uh, as human evolution make this clock. Now we have a very precise definition for meter. Now 1 meter is equal to 1 divided by 299,792,458 second travel of light in vacuum space. So this is how we came from someone's body part to metal bar to the Krypton 86 light, and then we have finally our light speed. So this is my first video, and I want to make more video about science in a funny and curious way. So stay tuned, make sure to subscribe my channel. If you like this video, then give a like. If not, then you can also dislike this video. I don't have resources to make more quality video, but I try hard. So this is my 100%. and see you later. Thank you for watching.